Good evening. It is day 785 doing the underscore hurdle. Every time I forget I get bored. Yeah, they've noticed I'm doing the
We're
hurdle.
getting bored. We're not doing it anymore. I'm out. I am the main villain of the hurdle series. I can't do it anymore.
You just spilled something on me, man. You just spilled fucking chicken on me, bro.
Chicken boy!
Guys, if you go to Weatherspoons, you can get the Black Dragon cider on draft, and it is 4 point something units of alcohol, and it's good value for like $5.
But it's really bad cider.
It's quite
man.
bad cider, but it has a lot of alcohol.
I think this is a long enough intro. I think this is the contractual length. Let's go.